This is an example of a science project. If you are going to make a science project, it should begin in a question. This example, the question is, will an egg sink or float in fresh and salt water? After the question, you need to have your materials. I have eggs, 2 transparent container, cold water, 1 cup of salt. And then my hypothesis is egg will float in the salt water. Another hypothesis, egg will not float in the salt water. Then I have to go to my procedure. So here is my fresh water. This is my salt water. For the sake of time, this is the amount of salt that I use and diluted in this water. Then we're going to make a trial 1. Remember, our hypothesis is the egg going to float or sink in the fresh water? What is your guess? So let's try. This is a fresh water. Will it sink or will it float? So the egg in the fresh water sink. Now, what is your guess? If this is a salt water, will an egg sink or float in the salt water? Ta-da! And the egg floated in the salt water. Remember, every time that you are going to create an experiment, don't depend your result on your first trial. So we have to do our second trial. This is an egg, a fresh water. Will it sink? Will it float? And the egg sink in the fresh water. And in the salt water, will it sink? Will it float? And it float. Trial 3, to validate your observation, sink, and for the salt water, float. After the 3 trial, you're going to record your observation, and you have to use this gathering data and then go straight to conclusion. Based on our experiment, after 3 trials, the egg floated into the salt water. And then after that, you're going to think, what is the related study or research that I can apply or connect with my science experiment? I hope you learned something. Have a wonderful day. Have a scientific day. Bye.